touch my hair. I'm taking this out tonight, and y'all know I love this set, so I won't hear nothing about it, okay? Period. But anywho, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie. It's been a minute. It's just been a minute, okay? Last video you saw, I was touring an apartment complex in New Jersey, considering the possibility of moving once my lease is up. So this video, I will be updating you on what I decided to do, but also, guys, I need your help. I need your help. So before we get into what I need your help with, let me just give you the quick update. So I didn't decide to go with that complex. It was nice, great, price was good. Didn't feel like moving. I also don't really care for the Belleville area, so... And here has just way more amenities, even though that place was cheaper, which was the whole point of it. The second idea was to stay at the Vermella and then go into a one-bedroom, which I did find a one-bedroom. I will insert a clip of what I found. So, and then the one on the higher levels will also have, like, would it be in the same area?
It depends.
What is this?
Located. Some of them have the balcony, some of them do not. So
Okay.
just let me know all that you're interested in, and I'll try to find that.
I do like the kitchen space is way bigger than what I have, clearly. And then I'm really concerned about the closet space. And then there's still a coat closet, right?
Yeah. And your like your washer dryer closet.
Oh wait, no, so there isn't a coat closet. There's just this.
Yes, if that.
Okay. So this is like... Okay, because that would have been like a coat closet if they didn't have it in there. And the bathroom doesn't have the shelves. No. Okay. But it just wasn't perfect. Like the walls were slanted. It was the one that had like gray cabinets. I just felt like it wasn't perfect. Also, when I was going to apply for it, somebody stole it, and then I would have to look for a new one. It was just a lot, and I also didn't just feel like moving my stuff and like packing up and moving. I know that might sound lazy, but it is what it is, okay? So I decided to stay at the studio, at the Vermella, and in my studio apartment. So here's where you guys come in. So I feel like if I'm going to stay here for another year or so, I want to feel like I moved. Like I want my space to feel a little bit different. So I want to get rid of a lot of my furniture, because a lot of my furniture is really big pieces, and that's because I was in a bigger space before I moved here and I kept almost everything. But some of the stuff just gotta go now because I am in the studio. If you have not seen my apartment, go ahead and check out the apartment tour. Shameless plug. But I'm gonna also show you, because this is what I need your help with. So I'm gonna first show you everything I wanna get rid of because they're just too big or the wrong color, etc. And then also how am I changing my space up. So let's just jump right into that part, okay? All right, so first thing first, I am considering getting rid of this couch. Love the couch. I am even considering putting it in storage and just having it for another time, maybe when I move into my house or something. But yeah, the couch is just so big, it takes up so much space. So that has to go. Second thing is this TV stand. As you can see, it never really fit my wall. I just liked it and I had it already, so I just kept it. But I think its time has come for it to go as well. Third thing. Thinking about getting rid of this floor mirror here because I just want a flat one. Like as you can see, this has like a little curve, like a flat one, and I also wanted to have a gold trim, so that might have to go. The bench has to go because in order for what I'm about to show you to work, this is in my way, and also because it's silver, I'm getting rid of everything that's pretty much silver because I want everything to be now like a gold nude kind of aesthetic. The bed gotta go. I don't know if this is blue, gray, teal, whatever color is giving, it's given, it needs to get out. Like it has to go. And it also has like silver in it, so I want gold, so this has to go. All right, so here's where I need your help. I'm thinking about, once I get rid of all this furniture, getting all new furniture, but also using the space differently. I don't think I want to sleep by the door anymore. So I am thinking about making this my Kiss by Ronnie office space. So like putting my desk here, decorating that wall back there. It's a lot easier to film because I can just set my equipment up right here. So that's one option. But some of my friends have told me that I should make this the living room space. So when I'm entertaining, they're not all up in my bedroom. So they're thinking a small couch here, but I think it would be kind of tight, like be right up on this wall if we put a couch here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is where I need your help. Should I make this living room space, or should I make this office Kiss by Ronnie space? Comment down below. Second thing, up here. So with my plan, this will become bedroom slash living room. So I'm thinking about a different bed to go here. By the way, I have a picture of my bed. I want to show you guys what that looks like. I'm going to insert a picture. But I'm thinking about putting the bed like right here, going this way. The bar cart will go where the bench is. And then putting a small couch, like a smaller sectional with a chase on that side, along this wall. And then keeping this like as my living room space, and then having my bedroom space. People said it would be weird because then it's like if I'm entertaining, people are kind of also sitting in my bedroom. But note, I don't have that many people over anyway, and the people who do come over are like the same 5 people, so I don't really care either way. But the other option is, if I make that the living room up there, is to put my bed here, coming this way, and then having this corner space as my Kiss by Ronnie office space. So this is where I need your help, guys. Okay, guys, so that's why I need your help. Help me decide what I should do with the space. I don't know. Also, comment down below, should I keep the couch? Should I sell the couch? Should I put it in storage and save it for another time? I don't know, a lot of decisions, but all I know is I'm tired of it looking how it looks now. And I'm tired of having too big of furniture because it's killing what I can do with this space. My other idea though, for if I was to put, by the way, this is the desk that I would be putting up there because I'm keeping the desk in the chair. So my idea is, if I was to put the space up there in the front as the Kiss by Ronnie space, I can put the desk in the middle of the floor, and then behind it I could put like a small dresser and then decorate the wall so that I still have a nice background. But then I could use the dresser for more storage, because that's also part of the reason why I wanted to leave, because I only have that one closet to put my clothes, and it's packed. It's at capacity, so I need more storage as well. And I think if I can't really put a dresser up here. Maybe if I put like a small, maybe my TV gotta go up a little bit. My small dresser here, I could put something. I don't know. Help me. Help me. And then also, if I put the living room back there, I have to switch the TVs because this TV is bigger. And I will want that to be with the living room. So that's what I need help with, guys. If you watched all this, thank you. But really, I really would appreciate if you guys comment down below and let me know your ideas and what I can do, because I want to do this ASAP. I want to walk into 2022 feeling like I'm in a new space, because this is my year. And so yes, definitely comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. I guess we'll go on this journey together, because as I order my pieces, I'm pretty sure I'll film it and show you guys how I'm changing up the space. So thank you guys for watching. There'll probably be one more video before the end of the year, but I want to go ahead and thank you guys for rocking out with me for the last, I want to say 2 years. This is my 2nd year on YouTube. It's been great so far. I have learned quite a bit of things, but I'm gonna save all of that for the next video, where I'll go into more details about my plans for the future and etc. But in this video, definitely need your help deciding what to do. Also, if you live in the New Jersey area, you like any of these pieces, I'm gonna be selling a lot of stuff for the low, except the couch, because this couch was a pretty big penny and it's still in great condition. Like I said, I love the couch. It's just way too big for this space. So if you're interested in any pieces, let me know. Comment down below, DM me on Instagram if you're in the area and you're interested in buying any of it. But that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.